In this video, we will cover current affair of 3 September. So let's start. So the first current affair is, who has launched world's first exclusive product market for renewable energy sector named Green Term Ahead Market. So GTAM, Green Term Ahead Market. So it is launched by Rajkumar Singh. Rajkumar Singh is the Minister of State for Power and Renewable Energy. So Rajkumar Singh has launched this GTAM, that is Green Term Ahead Market. According to the report titled Accidental Death and Suicides in India, ADSI 2019, released by National Crime Record Bureau, which city recorded the highest number of deaths due to the dangerous driving and overall road accident in 2019. So the city is Delhi, which is first country in the world that plan to release a set of standard for forensic accounting and investigation. So the first country is India that released a set of standard for forensic accounting and investigation. Madhya Pradesh state government has launched the cleanliness campaign named Gandagi Bharat Chodo Madhya Pradesh recently. Who is the present governor of Madhya Pradesh? So the present governor of Madhya Pradesh is Anandiben Patel. The 51st edition of International Film Festival of India will be held in which state, Union Territory, from November 20 to 28. So the 51st edition of International Film Festival of India will be held at Goa. Which country construct missile site at Kailash Mansarovar? So the country is China. How many states and union territory are connected with One Nation One Ration Card scheme on 2 September 2020? So 26 states and union territory are connected with One Nation and One Ration Card scheme recently. Which bank has partnered with Innoviti to provide affordable option of bank debit card by Innoviti POS terminal? So the bank is Federal Bank. So Federal Bank has partnered with Innoviti to provide affordable options of banks debit cards by Innoviti POS terminals. Which state government received the nod from Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority recently to form its own insurance firm? So the state is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh got nod from Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, which is headquartered at Hyderabad, recently to form its own insurance firm. Name the company which become world largest solar power generation asset owner of per Marcom Capital. So the company which become world largest solar power generation asset is Adani Green Energy. Which is first Indian dairy company to enter into Rabobank annuals listing of top 20 global dairy for 2020? So the dairy is Amul. Who heads the 6-member working group constituted by Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India to study index linked product for life insurance companies? So the IRDA's 6-membered working group constituted for index linked product for life insurance company is headed by Dinesh Pant. K. Padmakar has been given additional charge as the chairman and managing director of which public sector company? So K. Padmakar has become CMD of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So I am confused between Hindustan and Bharat. So we will check it later. Okay. Who has got 1-year extension as CMD of Indian Trade Promotion Organization? So Indian Trade Promotion Organization's CMD is LC Goel. Find the person who has become the first woman Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. So the first person who has become first woman Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security is Usha Wadhe. Usha Padhe. Cycling Federation of India planned to host the first ever cycling summit in 2020 at which Indian city? So it will be held at Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru. The answer is all 1, 2 and 3. Which IIT has collaborated with Republic's University of Paradubis for data protection project? So Paradubis is a university at Czech Republic. So for data protection project, IIT Guwahati has partnered with Czech Republic's university, that is Paradubis. Olympic ski champion Victoria Ravensburg, who announced retirement recently, belonged to which country? So he belongs to Germany. I don't know he or she. So the person belongs to Germany. Who authored the book named The Commonwealth of Cricket, a lifelong love affair with the most subtle and sophisticated game known to humankind? So this book is written by Ramchandra Guha. Who is the author of book titled The One and Only Sparkella? So this book is written by Hollywood actor Channing Tatum. When was World Coconut Day observed annually? So the theme of this year is Invest in Coconut to Save the World. So it is celebrated annually on 2 September. The National Small Industry Day is observed annually on 30 August. Parabiculam Tiger Reserve is located in which state? So Parabiculam Tiger Reserve is located at Kerala. Koleru Lake is located in which state? So Koleru Lake is located at Andhra Pradesh. The headquarters of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India located at which city? So the headquarters is located is at Hyderabad. So IRD headquarters is located at Hyderabad. Who is the administrator of Union Territory Lakshadweep? So the administrator of Lakshadweep is Dineshwar Sharma. Kiran Bedi is governor of Puducherry. So that's it for this video.